In previous videos, we learned that money is a container for labor and that landlords, governments, and capitalists all take a cut of the labor pie. Over time, the cuts have developed into a dramatic global concentration of wealth and privilege. As we have seen, those who benefit from this system of accumulation mystify money in order to avoid uncomfortable questions and disturbing truths. But mystification of money is only a part of the process the privileged used to justify the situation and increase their slice of the pie. In fact, making all that money and ensuring people don't complain about it takes constant and coordinated effort on a number of different levels. So, how do they do it? For one, you have to come up with justifications so you can pretend to yourself and others that your actions are basically good.
I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
For two, you need fantasy and misdirection so you can distract from the things that you do. For three, you need to control the world's ideas so you can control what the people see as truth. For four, you need control of the government. If you control the government, you control school curriculum. If you control government, you can avoid all that nasty taxation. If you control the government, then when inequality gets really bad and the people start to rise up, you can use the police, the army, and the death squads to crush the revolutionaries back down. As you can see, making all that money doesn't happen automatically. It's not a natural and inevitable process. It takes mystification of basic truths and massive and coordinated effort. Clearly, if you want to win the class war, you have to do the work. Which brings us to the important question of why. Why put in all this effort just so you can have more? Why sacrifice your life and your children to this work? What's the motivation? Does it make you happier? Does it make you feel better? Does it give you a spiritual edge? Or is it something else? Are you compensating for unmet needs? Is your self-esteem so low that you must dominate all other beings? Are you addicted to money and power? Only you can decide what motivates you, but given the ascending global chorus crying out for real change, perhaps it is time to reflect on the direction of the planet, on the world you are creating, and on the legacy you are leaving for our kids.